Guys, I'm just gonna be honest with you. These bang bang shrimp dogs. Got a creamy sauce, a little bit of spicy, not much. Top sliced bun, crispy shrimp. Woohoo, dang it, boys. Hey, let's make a bang bang shrimp dog over on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. First things first, we gotta get a marinade for the shrimp. We got some partially frozen shrimp here, which is perfectly fine. We're gonna add a little bit of half and half. I don't have buttermilk, but I'm gonna tell you of a substitute for buttermilk. And really, all you need is a little bit of citric. You can do vinegar, you can do some lemon, and that will kind of help as a replacement for buttermilk. Is it a direct replacement? No, it's not. But yeah, I'm gonna take and just want to make a little quick marinade just to get our shrimp coated because we want to do a little light breading on them. And for just a little bit of kick, I'm gonna add a little sriracha to that. Also, just a little bit of Essentials blend from Blackstone. Goes well. All right, we're gonna set this to the side and we're gonna make the bang bang shrimp sauce. All right, to make our bang bang shrimp sauce, or bang bang sauce, I'll add a little mayonnaise. Use whatever your favorite mayonnaise is. We'll add a little bit of sriracha. Now, just so you know, down below, there will be a link to a full recipe. Next, gonna add some sweet chili sauce. Gives it a good little sweetness, a little tang, a little bit of heat, not much. Add a little bit more. I love this stuff. I know my old buddy Todd Tovin, he uses this stuff a lot as well. He likes it. He likes, I like it. That's pretty much it. If you want to thin it down a little bit, I got a little bit of this lime, kind of bring a little more brightness to it. Go right ahead. It had a little bit more and, well, I just felt like I needed to use it. Let's give that a try. Bang bang. We got our shrimp ready, got our bang bang sauce ready. We got to get our breading ready. Let's go. Before we get started, get your griddle pre-warmed. Right now, my griddle, I got everything on low. I got a baggie here, a little gallon bag, and we'll take, this is cornstarch. I like to do this in a bag because cornstarch is like lighter than air. That stuff like goes everywhere. I like to try to minimize the mess because as soon as you like, look right there, poof. Don't need a lot of cornstarch. Just enough to coat your shrimp. All right, get you a little breading station going on here. We got our shrimp, and it's gonna try to get a little bit of that off, a bit of that excess milk and all that kind of stuff. You just take your shrimp and you bread it and just like that. We'll put that over onto a little baking tray. Now, you can also just kind of take the bag and just kind of shake it just like this. And that helps kind of coat everything as well. There we go. Perfect, look at that. Perfect little shrimpies. This goes really, really fast, especially when you get on the griddle. Shrimp cooks really fast. You want to make sure you got all your items ready to go. All right, so there's our shrimp. They are ready. Now, let's head over to the griddle. Let's get going. All right, first things first, let's get some oil down onto the griddle. We're gonna get that warmed up. It is cold outside. I actually took my Blackstone, went to about a medium heat to really get that oil nice and hot. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's got like a little bit of a ripple to it. One other way to see if your oil is hot enough is just basically just take one of your shrimp and lay it down. And if it sizzles, well, you're good. So I'm shallow frying, basically, on the griddle top, which is something you can do. Now, I actually intentionally pitch my Blackstone so I can do things like this every once in a while. Went down with peanut oil, which is good for frying. There we go, that'll make a few dogs. If you notice, I got this wire shelf here and I put this here so when the shrimp are done, I can put them right here. The oil can drain off and it won't just sit in the oil and get soggy. Maximum crispness. And sometimes there's not a lot of oil in the back here, so just take your spatula, bring some of the grease around. To be honest with you, I got a little bit too much oil. All right, after a few minutes, let's see where these are. Oh yeah, look at that. It's nice and crispy. Got a little popping and cracking because shrimp's still a little frozen in some places. Same thing, need a little oil up here. Pour that oil and it'll filter right under all the shrimp. Now, like I said, we're making dogs out of these. So I got some top sliced buns here. We'll put those onto the rack. I'm gonna put my dome over them, put a little bit of steam those buns up a little bit. These here are about perfect. All right, let's see where our buns. Ooh, yeah. Want to take our buns and we'll put them onto the griddle, get a little toast on that top. Once the shrimp's got good color, we're gonna put those over onto our wire rack. Now let's head over to our cutting board. I'll bring our shrimp right there. Man, look at those things, nice. It's got some crunchiness to it. It's gonna be so good. Got ourselves a bowl. Let's start first want to get our rolls kind of opened up. I actually was going to do tacos with these, but I saw these rolls. I had them extra. I thought this would be great. This would be great. All right, let's take our shrimp. Put those. Y'all hear that? Sounds like potato chips going in that. We got our sauce. Oh, beautiful sauce. And I'm just going to put it around. It's so cold out that the shrimp is cooling very quickly. I don't want to get these like sloppy wet. I just want to kind of coat them just a little bit. Ooh, man. Oh, it looks so good. All right. I say, let's make a few of these buns. Let's make one. Let's make one. Put that right in there. How many shrimp can I fit in one of these bad boys? 5. That's pretty good. Want to take a little bit more of our sauce. Kind of drape right over that dude right there. Come on with it. Come in. These red chilies right here. Put it right over them. Oh boy. Guys, would you look at that? That, my friends, is a bang bang shrimp dog. Come on. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. There's so many good textures going on here. The top side bun toasted. So good. The bang bang shrimp still got some crunch to it, but the creamy, a little bit of bitiness. Then those peppers, those dang peppers. That's to catch me out right there. Guys, I highly suggest you give these bang bang shrimp dogs a try because daggone it, they slap. Some might say it's good groceries. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you sticking around. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button. Leave me a comment. I'd like to interact with you. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.